In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can make money or cryptocurrency money with Coinbase. All right, you can already see in the back of my screen here, if you kind of look at it, that there's going to be different ways I'm going to show you, and I'm going to walk you through how to start making money. If you guys are new to my channel here, first of all, I appreciate you guys that are just coming in. In this channel, I talk about how to make money online, different ways, online business, affiliate marketing, different ways that you can start making money online. In this video, as you can already kind of see, and I already talked about in the beginning, we are going to be talking about Coinbase and how you can start making money with Coinbase. If you guys do not know what Coinbase is, this is basically one of, if not the giant exchange platform where you could actually trade, sell, buy, even learn how to do cryptocurrency in general, right? A lot of people are actually getting into the game. They don't really know too much what's going on. This is going to be a perfect place. This is also going to be where you're going to hold your Bitcoins, your cryptocurrency, okay? This is going to be a wallet. So let's go ahead and get into this actual video here. I don't want to waste too much time. Let's go ahead and jump in, all right? So the first way that you can make money with Coinbase is, you can already see up here, get $10 of free crypto when you refer a friend, okay? So how this works is, when you sign up, for example, I already signed up and I have a link. If I actually put a link in my description or anywhere and you see it and you click on it and you join, you guys get $10 free and I get $10 free. This is one easy way where you can actually start off, get $10 of free cryptocurrency. Before it was just Bitcoin, but it looks like now they're actually changing it up. Oh no, nope, yep, it's still Bitcoin right here. So I just actually saw it, I went down my screen, but you get $10 of free Bitcoin, okay, when you refer somebody. So this is an easy way. If you guys haven't started, easy, go ahead and click on that link. It's going to be down in the description, where you guys are going to get $10 of Bitcoin, of Bitcoin, as well as I am, okay? That is one way that you guys are able to do that. Now, the second way, if once you sign up, okay, because you have to open up, this is going to be your crypto wallet where you're going to buy and sell all your crypto and everything. Once you sign up and you will have your own account, you're going to come over here on the left hand side and you see that there's different sections. You're going to come down here to rewards, okay? Now, Coinbase, they give you free crypto when you refer people, but they also give you free money, free crypto money when you start learning from this. They also teach you and you make money on this, right? So it looks like right here, you can kind of see earn $3 of AMP. You actually could watch videos. So let's see, $3 of GTR here, and check this out. You basically just watch this 1 minute video and you begin to learn the strategies, what it is, how it works, and you start making money off that. Stellar Looms, this is actually a really big one as well. You kind of see that. What is Stellar Loom? It's a 2-minute video. You make $2 here, $2 here, right? This is also another way that you can make money online. So you can kind of see all these little $2 ones are going to start adding up. Plus your referrals that you have, your buddies, your friends, whatever, that are coming in. You get $10 plus they get $10 and so forth, kind of thing, right? All these little $10, $2 ones are going to start adding up. So this is going to be also for people that are beginning, right? That don't really know exactly. They hear what crypto is, they hear what Bitcoin, but they don't really know exactly how it works, what it is. Well, this is an easy and awesome way where you guys can actually start learning what it is, as well as starting to get paid, okay? So these are little rewards that Coinbase does that allows you to start making money. So okay, now that you actually start learning, now you could also make money. Check this out. When you actually start, okay, so this is the invite friends. Where is it? There it is. Recurring. When you set up, if you're going to invest and you set up recurring payments, withdrawals, or deposits that are going into your account, they start giving you $5 just for actually setting up an automatic deposit into your account. So check it out. There's just so many different ways that you can do this. So this is number 2, okay? The first one that we were talking about is going to be where you refer friends, all right? You bring in your friends, your buddies, family, friends, whatever the case is. You start a YouTube channel, for example, and you put it down in the description, okay? People need to actually sign up. Why not make $10 for free, right? So that's one way. The second way is going to be learning from this. They teach you how to do this, all right? Now, the third way. Third way is going to be their affiliate program. Coinbase has an affiliate program. All right, so you're just going to go into Google and type in Coinbase affiliate program, and then this one's going to pop out. Now, this one's actually a little bit different from referring a friend, okay? If you guys do not know what affiliate marketing is, what affiliate is, the programs, basically means that you are promoting another company, and when people go and sign up and buy their products or sign up to their services, whatever the case is, coming in from your referral, from your links, you make a commission or part of that sale. That is the same thing what's going on here, right? I am promoting, for example, Coinbase. Okay, if you guys are interested in opening up a Coinbase account to start trading crypto, whatever the case is, you click on my link, I get a commission of that. We all win in this situation, okay? The company made a sale, they're happy, the customer got whatever they were buying, the product, subscription, whatever, and then me as an affiliate, I was making money on the side as well. So we're all winning in the situation, okay? So this is going to be the third way on how you can start making money online. When people actually are going to be depositing, making huge large amounts of transfers, okay? We're not talking about maybe a couple hundred, maybe a couple thousand, whatever the case is kind of thing. These affiliate programs are when they come into play. How it works. You're going to become an affiliate. You kind of see down here, after the application is approved, you'll get access to promotion access and impact tracking software. You're going to become an affiliate. You're going to begin to promote Coinbase. This, you can promote it on a YouTube channel, on your social media, Facebook, whatever the case is kind of thing, right? To your friends, emails, whatever the case is, okay? When people start seeing this and they're interested, hey, I want to actually earn and join in, you begin to start earning commissions, okay? That is how it works. Now, in this situation, when you refer a new customer to Coinbase, you'll earn 50% of the fees for the first 3 months. So as I was saying earlier, if they want to start making large transfers, large deposits, they want to buy large amounts of shares, whatever the case is kind of thing, they're going to need some kind of subscription, right? Something that they're able to transfer. So they're going to get into the subscriptions, and if you bring them in, you make part of that sale kind of thing, okay? So that is going to be the third way. Let's go ahead and run this through again, okay? So number one is going to be where you just invite friends, get $10 free, all right? Number two is going to be where you learn. You earn while you learn, all right? So you're going to learn how to do this. You're going to earn. The third way is going to be, and you become an affiliate, okay? Now, becoming an affiliate, there's different ways and just different strategies that you can actually do this. Let's say, for example, you want to make a YouTube video, for example, like right now, but I want to make a YouTube video of like, let's say Bitcoin, Stellar Luna, whatever the case is, right? There it is right here. So I got it coming up right here. You kind of see, look at this. This actual video right here has 113,000 people. So just imagine if you brought in 1%. 1% of those decide to sign up and you become an affiliate. You make money off that 113,000 people. If it's only 1%, 5%, whatever the case is kind of thing, right? You'll start making commissions off that. That is how it works. These are the 3 ways that you can start making money with Coinbase. All right, guys? So this is how you do it. Go ahead and put these skills into action so you can start earning. All right. That is basically it on Coinbase. If you guys have any questions, any concerns, write down in the comments down here. I will go and answer everybody's questions, comments. If you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe, hit that bell so you could actually get the notifications when I do release videos. As I was saying, I do make money online, do make videos on how to make money online. If you guys want to see how I make money online, if you guys want to learn how to become an affiliate, different ways, go ahead and there's going to be a couple links down in the description here that it's going to show you this training that I went through to actually show you how to do all this, all right? So, but once again, guys, appreciate you guys that are just coming in. If you guys haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe and just wait, and we'll wait for the new video that's going to be coming out. I put out videos every week, all right, guys? That's all for today. Appreciate you guys, and I'll see you guys later.